Pooja, wake up! It's getting late and we have a lot to do today. Just 5 more minutes, Didi. I was having such a nice dream. No more 5 minutes. We agreed last night that we would wake up early and prepare breakfast together. You don't want to be late for college, do you? Oh, you are right. I hate rushing in the morning. Alright, I'm getting up, but I need a few minutes to get out of bed. Take your time, but not too long. We still need to decide what to wear and pack our bags. What is the agenda for today again? My brain is still half asleep. First, we finish that group project we have been putting off. Then, I have a meeting with my professor in the afternoon. After that, we need to prepare for the cultural fest tonight. Plus, don't forget the grocery shopping we need to do in between. Wow, we are going to be so busy. But I'm really looking forward to the cultural fest. What are we making for breakfast? I was thinking of making parathas with curd and some fruit on the side. It's quick and it will keep us full until lunch. Sounds perfect. I will start kneading the dough while you handle the veggies for the stuffing. You know, I was thinking we should try something new for the cultural fest tonight. Maybe some different accessories or a new hairstyle? That's a good idea. I was planning to wear my green sari, but we could definitely experiment with our hair. How about we try some braids with flowers? It will look traditional and elegant. Oh, that sounds lovely. I am going to wear my blue lehenga. We should definitely pick up some fresh flowers on our way back from college. I will make a note of it. And speaking of preparations, do you remember where we kept the project file? We need to bring it to college today. Yeah, it's in my bag. I packed everything last night just to be safe. I didn't want us to be scrambling this morning. Good thinking. That's why I love working with you. You are always on top of things, even if you like to sleep in a bit. True, but I'm learning from you. You are the organized one in the family after all. We make a good team. Let's focus on getting these parathas done. We need to fuel up for the day. These parathas are turning out great. I am glad we decided to make breakfast together. It's much more fun than doing it alone. Absolutely. Cooking together makes the work feel lighter and we get to chat about our day. By the way, I was thinking about our meeting with the professor. Do you think we have covered everything for the presentation? I think we are in good shape, but it wouldn't hurt to go over the slides once more during lunch. We can add any last minute details then. Good idea. I will make sure we have everything in order. I don't want to miss any points. Same here. I want this presentation to go smoothly. After that, we can focus on enjoying the cultural fest. Didi, I can't find my matching bangles. I was planning to wear the silver ones with my lehenga tonight, but they seem to have disappeared. Did you check your other drawer? You might have put them there when you cleaned up last week. Ah, here they are. You're always right about these things. Thanks, Didi. It's all about staying organized. But don't worry, you are getting better at it. I will take that as a compliment. Now, what about you? Do you need help with anything? I'm all set. Just need to pack a few more things. Do you want to decide on our lunch plans now or should we wing it? Let's decide now so we don't waste time later. How about we make something simple like sandwiches and pack them? We can eat on the go if we are running late. That's a smart plan. We will do that after breakfast. These parathas are delicious. I love how we have got a good balance of flavors. I agree. I think we have really perfected the recipe. It's nice to start the day with a meal we made together. Yeah, And it's a good way to make sure we are ready for whatever the day throws at us. I feel more prepared when I have had a proper breakfast. Same here. And it's not just about the food. I think spending this time together in the morning helps us connect and stay on the same page for the day. Totally. I feel more relaxed when I know we have got each other's backs. Exactly. So after breakfast, we will quickly pack our lunch and then head out. We will stop by the florist on our way back to get those flowers. Sounds good. I'm really looking forward tonight. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Me too. But first, let's tackle the day ahead. We have got this. I'm ready, Didi. Let's make today a great one. That's the spirit. Let's get going.